Whittaker's antics are maybe just riling Gravia up a little.
He's got great upper body.
Ben Whittaker est un talent prometteur qui s'est fait un nom sur la scène mondiale de la boxe grâce à la performance impressionnante qu'il a montrée aux Jeux Olympiques de Tokyo.
Right hand cocked ready to go. Huge right hand from Whittaker.
Le style de Ben Whittaker combine des coups puissants et une énergie de scène, ce qui le montre déjà comme l'héritier du légendaire Prince Nassim. Certains critiquent ce spectacle, d'autres le regardent avec plaisir, mais personne ne peut rester indifférent aux performances impressionnantes de Ben sur le ring. Aujourd'hui, nous allons vous présenter la nouvelle étoile montante de la boxe mondiale. Tous les amateurs français de boxe, préparez-vous. Ici, c'est le Kampf Universum. En 2024, Ben Whittaker a fait sensation dans le monde de la boxe. Il s'est imposé avec 5 victoires en combat professionnel, en mettant ses adversaires en garde, en terminant 4 d'entre elles par KO. Son adversaire français, Khalid Gradia, visait à le mettre en difficulté sur le ring. Cependant, dès le début du combat, Whittaker a dansé sur le ring avec des mouvements agiles et maîtrisés, et à chaque occasion, il a réduit au silence son adversaire avec des coups efficaces.
Nice left hand into the body and again an extravagant.
And the brand and all that type of thing. I do. Oh,
beautiful body shot there from Whittaker around. Can he follow it up? He looked for it again there, but he managed to drop the elbow on it. Great, yeah. With something you're not really braced for, and that's when it makes the impact.
100%. He's
when your opponent in front of you, you can't hit them, and you miss one.
In that little exchange.
Looks to finish. He's going to need all his experience here.
Yeah, he's got to try and tuck up tight.
Flip them. So he has got to be careful. And he brings it up the middle.
Just be backed up to the ropes and touch there. Cool with the combination, great, yeah.
Ensuite, Whittaker exécuta une véritable danse de victoire face à son adversaire, comme pour montrer sa domination sur le ring.
Whittaker's antics are maybe just riling Gravia up a little bit here. He's setting his feet and looking to let his hands go, but that could suit Ben Whittaker. Whittaker's antics are maybe just riling Gravia up a little.
Again, he just kind of goes in here, embarrassing him.
His composure though. He's a very experienced fighter. Right hand lands someone down. He chases Whittaker. Third round, but other than that,
not enough. That was a great body shot from Whittaker, and he felt that his hands dropped immediately.
Great, a little bit of trouble here. Backs up to the corner, sinks down onto the bottom corner. Ben Whittaker
still undefeated. Ben.
Un nouveau défi se présenta pour le chirurgien du ring, Vladimir Beluzki, expert en KO venu de Slovaquie, également connu sous le nom de Big Bad Vlad.
It's nice to see Whittaker, you know, a little bit more to the body from Whittaker. Looks for it again there, but Beluzki just dropped that left elbow. A bit of a loss of balance there, I think, from Beluzki, but it was right. Left glove of Beluzki rather than should start here.
Any even false confidence that Beluzki may have knocked out of him already.
And then he paused Whittaker to encourage the crowd. It's difficult for Beluzki. He's got to try and ignore all of that and just stick to the task.
Pendant tout le combat, la menace de KO de Beluzki, sa maîtrise sur le ring et sa pression constante furent neutralisées par Whittaker.
Hard shots of pain, but just by sheer demoralizing.
Doubling up on that, then turned it into a screw right hand down the middle. That was neat. Beluzki with a little bit of trouble here.
He's probably going to hang up on the finish here.
Le véritable maître de la moquerie, ne pouvant supporter les mouvements absurdes de son adversaire, montra sa supériorité en imitant exactement les coups que ce dernier lançait en l'air.
Beluzki tags him with the right hand there though, steps in and bother Whittaker immediately.
Asking any questions of Ben Whittaker is just whether Ben can open him up.
Good left hand there for Whittaker, who's letting his hands go down. Rocked there briefly, Beluzki.
Au 8e round, l'arbitre dut interrompre ce bombardement d'attaques lorsqu'il vit Whittaker porter des coups efficaces à Beluzki à la suite.
Belushi, the referee was right.
Le parcours de boxe a mené Ben Whittaker sur la péninsule italienne. Le boxeur italien Steven Dreggia visait à éteindre la lumière du chirurgien dansant et un affrontement difficile et acharné était attendu sur le ring. Dès les premiers instants du combat, Whittaker, rapide et agile, a décodé les mouvements de son adversaire comme s'il s'agissait d'un scénario préécrit.
These guys have been in the ring together before. You know, you can and negativity from Drenaz.
I'd like to see him, you know.
Very good combination.
I think there a dread eye, or it could be the mouth, and he goes down to him away. Whittaker will be looking to do exactly.
À la fin du troisième round, Whittaker a réussi à terrasser son adversaire en le secouant avec une série de coups puissants.
Oh, shot. Yeah, you see that little pause there, little layback, right hand left.
He is out.
The Surgeon!
Ben Whittaker partagera le ring avec son compatriote Leon Willings lors de son prochain combat. Les deux boxeurs sont déterminés à prouver leur supériorité sur le ring, car le titre de Big Ben en Angleterre ne peut appartenir qu'à une seule personne.
Yeah, I like Ben. Ben's very
His hands go. Strong right hand there again.
about 1,000 shots already.
Looking to shut down the big, but a reddening up on the left-hand side of the face as well as the rib cage.
Pulled him out of the press conferences, keyed him up because he's firing at all cylinders.
Whittaker, avec son style unique dansant sur le ring, semblait littéralement faire pleuvoir des coups. En réalité, grâce à ses mouvements spectaculaires, avant de finir son adversaire, il offrait des moments inoubliables au public.
Good stuff, man. Ben Whittaker, lovely right now.
Now, didn't he, Dan?
No,
He found the range well there. Whittaker, right hand comes back there from.
You might see a bit of showboating for Williams.
Good full effects of tasting the corner of the right eye from one of those right hands.
Ben Whittaker's just teeing up from Williams on the ropes.
Good 1-2 there from Whittaker. When the weakness fighter, that doesn't mean you can take them forever. To the head, but then the left hand got through. Willings under some pressure in the corner here, but Willings just a wild swing at Whittaker, who shimmies in front of him. Playing the
Trying to slip outside the jab and has got out the way.
Lovely
Shots
right
too.
hand, jeez.
Willings just
Yeah,
trying to chop down with that right.
Good shoulder roll. Lovely left hook too. A few clean shots as well.
Whittaker a établi une supériorité si écrasante que, malgré toute la confiance de Willings, il n'avait plus la force de rester debout.
those every time down, as you know.
It's on whether you get the stop it. Whittaker standing a little bit closer. Good left hand there from Willings, and then swing.
Drops all that.
Opponent down. And just beating there, Whittaker.
Ben Whittaker!